Hello everybody. I'm going to attempt to boil water using just a syringe. I just took the needle out of the syringe. So there's just a hole there. I'm just going to put my thumb right over it and see how this goes. So get the air bubble out of it and then make sure I force the water all the way to the tip like you do a hypodermic needle. And here we go. Pull back, creating a vacuum. Okay, that time it didn't work too well. Alright, here we go. Pull back on it, creating a vacuum. See if the water will boil. Ooh, look at that. Ow! That hurt. I didn't mean to let it go like that. Dang. Well, it boiled. Cold boiling. Take a second to think about what that means. The water was boiling at room temperature. If you Google it, the pressure at which water can boil at room temperature is only 20 to 30 millibars, which is only 2 to 3% of 1 atmosphere. So that's almost a complete vacuum. And all I did was use plastic and my thumb. Thanks for watching.